it's Alexis. I am on what I think is day 4 of dry shampoo, and I haven't gotten a lot of sleep in the last couple of days. I just opened my own mobile beauty salon, and it has been a ton of work. I'm starting to see clients now. I had clients today, so I'm feeling kind of tired, but I have a little secret weapon that I just wanted to share with you. It is my emmiSKIN Maximum Impact Eye Cream, and what I'm about to do now is go and cleanse my face, and I'm going to put on a nice thick layer of this eye cream, and I'm just going to relax. I'm probably going to have a glass of wine, let my eye cream do its work, and I know when I wake up in the morning I'm going to look refreshed and I'm going to be ready for another day in the salon. So just wanted to share my little trick there. This eye cream is the best. If you haven't tried it, I would highly recommend it.